Hi, my name's Cameron Aitkenhead and I'm the illustrator from the adventures of the Belmonsters. Welcome to my studio. This is the place where I had fun drawing all of the Belmonsters that you'll find in the story. Today, I'm going to show you how I drew Grommet. And after that, I'm going to show you how you can draw your very own Belmonster. Did you know that each one of the Belmonsters was created by somebody who lives in the city of Belmont? Grommet was created by Melissa Green. Okay, let's learn how to draw Grommet. Grab your pens and pencils and follow along. We'll start with Grommet's head. Now Grommet's head is a big oval shape, kind of like that. And on top of his head, he's got a couple of little froggy eyes that look a bit like that. And you can colour in the pupils like this. There's one, and there's the other one. Done. Now we'll do his froggy, well, amphibious ears. They look a bit like an axolotl. If you've ever seen an axolotl, they go like that. And then he's got a little smiley face at the top. Now we're going to do his body. And his body is a little bit bigger than his head, but a similar oval shape. And on his tummy, he's got lots of little U-shaped scales. One more. And now we're going to do his long legs. He's got 2 legs, and some 3-toed froggy feet, like that. Next we're going to do his arms. One arm can be on his hip, and the other arm can be doing a little wave, like that. There we go, Grommet. Now let's go colour him in. Okay, let's put some colour into Grommet. I'm going to quickly draw him again because practice makes perfect. There we are. Now Grommet's pretty easy to colour in because he's just one colour, so pick your favourite colour green and fill in all the spaces in between your lines. Now if you go outside the lines, that doesn't matter, you just got to keep practicing. Here we go, I'm colouring in his ears. Colour, colour, colour. And then I'm colouring in his arms, and then his tummy, going around all those little tricky scales. Last of all, I'm going to colour in his face and leaving his eyes nice and white. Here we go, colouring in his chin, and we're almost done, and look at that. There we have Grommet. Now if you could make your very own Belmonster, what would it look like? Would it have a big long nose, or big furry paws, or perhaps a really long spiky tail? What would make your Belmonster different and special from all the others? Will it have a special name? And where will your Belmonster live in the city of Belmont? Will it live in a park, or somewhere like the new Belmont Hub, where the library will be? We would love to see what your Belmonster looks like. Ask Mum and Dad to go to the city's Belmont Connect platform, connect.belmont.wa.gov.au/Belmonsters, and find out about the Draw a Belmonster competition. It's easy to enter, and you could win the chance to have your Belmonster drawn by me sometime in the future. You might even win the chance to have your Belmonster appear in a brand new story about the adventures of the Belmonsters. Well, it's time for me to say goodbye and for you to start drawing. I'll see you again soon when I return to show you how to draw another one of those cheeky Belmonsters. Bye for now.